Hello everyone. I recorded a Bitcoin and Ethereum analysis yesterday on a MPT analysis channel. That it is our channel just for analysis the market and showing trading and doing trading things like that. And I told you I will open my position exactly the place I wanted to open my position. I told you I would open my position on a Ethereum, and I said I'm waiting for it, right? I was waiting for it, and I told you that I will open my position for Ethereum. I said we were here in this situation. I told you I record a video to the future, to the put exactly future of the market and to the live of the market, see what's going on. I just wanted to record. I put it a stop by because I knew I can't open my position here, and because the market doesn't let you entry, and I saw a lot of times I came in a higher time frame. As you can look, we had a falling wedge pattern, and after that broke the falling wedge pattern, and we can say even this is a trend line pattern, and broke the trend line, and we closed 2, 3. We can count this one as well. 1, 2, 3 candle, 3 candle close above this trend line and retest our support. It was this one. This line was resistance, and then it changed to support, and then retest our support. And I was waiting for this moment, and I said I will wait, and I will open my position for blind. And then you can see here on risk reward ratio, what I came even went to risk reward ratio 7.57. even I didn't touch it. I knew it would be a good win. It would be a good trade, and I don't touch it. When I said risk ratio 10, yes, people can't get it. If you have a trading plan, if you have a risk ratio strategy, then you can trade and you can play with what you do. I risk 1%, and I expect more than 2% in me. Okay, this is Ethereum, my Ethereum position, and yesterday I told you I talk about, and I expect to come to this level. It would be like a risk reward ratio about 13, and I would be with my position. And I didn't save any of my profit because I risked just one. And many times you can check, for example, the market situation. The market is on the way to give you 1% or 2%, or sometimes more than that, because I had it's I'm not sure it is fake or real. They said Ethereum ETF has been accepted, and if it has accepted, I expect this again, something like this, something like here for Ethereum, and I expect this one here, right? And I think I would go for this one until here if it's happened, right? And then I would say I got a 24 profit, 24 times more profit instead of my risk. Then it would be a good win. And this is what I wanted to talk about Ethereum. Let's go to Bitcoin. And in last a few days, as you've been with me, and this is not, I didn't open this position. things that you can sometimes when you want to trade. Before I opened my position yesterday, I was watching the market and I show you and I talk about this channel like a few days every day on my Bitcoin and Ethereum analysis. I told you this is this channel I have, and on the moment I wanted to open my position, I had Bitcoin confirmation and I saw Ethereum didn't go anywhere. Ethereum stayed there. A beautiful patient trader, and I put my stop buy above the wick of the Ethereum candle, okay, and I was waiting and I went for walk. And because I had a confirmation of Bitcoin and I wanted, it was a very, very thin. When Bitcoin came to this level, made this beautiful resistance, and we have a reaction here a few times, here and here and here and here, again and again and again, and came back in a 4-hour time frame. It is I get my confirmation on a 4-hour time frame, and I check and I open my position with 15 minutes. Then you can see when I have a confirmation from Bitcoin, then it would be easier. If I go to 1-hour time frame, you can see it was here. Even you could open your position. Listen, I told you in this, all this situation, all these things that I tell you now, I talk about yesterday. If you go check the things that I talk, exactly same position you can open on Bitcoin. I open just position on Bitcoin and Ethereum because I want improve my skill, my trading plan, my trading strategy just on Bitcoin and Ethereum for now, at least for a few months, to trade just every day. Watch these two coins. I don't need, because there's a lot of volume on it and I can trade easily more and better. And this is why I said you should every day have a plan for your day, and then you go for it. It is for now, it is very hard for give you a trigger price or trigger to go for a long or to short. For short, I have no plan today at all. But now for long, if I have, I'm telling you, if the market make another about a few candle range on this level and make something like this, you can open position with these resistance. Okay, with these resistance, if the market make another a few candle and make another resistance, you can bring your resistance level to this area, and with this resistance you can, if you could see, okay, it is above this resistance, you have a candle above this one, you can open your position for long. All right, then this is about Bitcoin and Ethereum. Same, to be honest. Sorry, I should this one, unlock this one for a few days. I want to have it. And now on Ethereum, I have something here. I can see it in a 4-hour time frame. Let me see. I have this one and stop the price. I have this resistance here that stop the price. If I go lower time frame, it's come to this level, and now I can say I keep this white line as well. Okay, now on Ethereum, if I hide everything, let me hide everything. On Ethereum, you can see we have a resistance here, and again, if we make like this for 1-hour time frame, like at least a few candle, you can see here under this resistance. After breaking this resistance, you can go for long, but for short, no. With this power of the buyer, I can't give you trigger for short, and I won't open my position for short, at least for today. And let's see what's going on. This is the way I see the market. I look to the market, and I wanted to tell you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow.